It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2017 Chevrolet Suburban LT. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Suburban. The driver's door has power door locks, power windows, power folding and power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button, the programmable memory seat for up to 2 drivers, door storage with a cup holder, and you'll notice it comes with a premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel is the power telescopic steering wheel button, traction control, park assist, lane departure alert, power adjustable foot pedals, the integrated trailer brake controller, 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, some lighting controls and dials, all-weather floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, and a leather interior. Next, I'm going to climb in and we'll take a look at the leather wrapped heated steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, and on the right side we have the audio controls and Bluetooth command. Overhead, the power programmable liftgate button, the programmable garage door opener, some interior light buttons, and a place to store your sunglasses. OnStar in the rear view mirror. Next is Chevrolet's infotainment center. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with navigation, and this screen doubles as our backup camera with guidance. The hard buttons for our radio and media options down below, a CD player. This button here raises the infotainment screen to reveal a hidden storage compartment with a USB plug-in. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning. Our rear climate control buttons are just down below. Heated front seats, some USB ports and power plug-in. Dual cup holders. On top of the center console is the wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. At the front of the Suburban, we have fog lights, 17-inch aluminum wheels, a 5.3-liter V8 engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert, roof rack up top, rear tinted windows. The door handles have keyless entry, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. Remote start, and the power lift gate. I'm going to use our key fob, push that button twice to pop the lift gate open. In the trunk, we have plenty of cargo storage space, a cargo mat, the buttons to fold the second and third row seats down, a power plug-in, cargo hooks, a Husky cargo mat, and a storage compartment down below. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 7-passenger SUV. The passenger door has power windows, a cup holder, door storage, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets. The back of the center console has a power plug-in, the rear climate control buttons, rear heated seats. We also have all-weather floor mats on the floor, bucket seats in the second row. To gain access to the third row, take the center aisle or pull the seat release on the back of the seat. In the third row, we have 3 additional seats with cup holders and a power plug-in. So come take a look at the 2017 Chevrolet Suburban LT, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.